Hey guys, welcome to this video. Today I want to show you how to gain internal rotation with a sled drag, a backward sled drag, and I want to show you as well like what not to do if your goal is the one to achieve more internal rotation, increase your force output, and even access from 60 to 120 degrees of hip flexion a little more easily. So there's gonna be a backward sled drag with a hinge at the hip. So have a look at this. So as I walk back, I stay heavy on the heel and I shift side to side. So you see, go on the right and then on the left, heavy on the right heel, heavy on the left heel. And I make sure to feel that stretching in the hip, back on my hip. That's the pelvic outlet that it's opening up a bit. So let's have a look again. So I go from there, back on the left, back on the right, back on the left. You see the hips are slightly behind my shoulder. I try to keep somewhat nutated sacrum if I can. You should feel stretching. You should feel opening up of the glutes of the hips a lot, not hamstring in that position, okay? Now I want to show you what I wouldn't recommend if your goal is to gain internal rotation. It's this. So I stay with my hips tucked, probably excessively tucked. And if you tuck too much, then you're just gonna provoke like a shortening, a concentric orientation of the glutes, which is gonna steal actually range of motion, or definitely is not gonna give you any IR. If you want to use this exercise to create a posterior expansion, let go of all this muscle in the back, I should have done a better job to actually expand the back of the spine, you know, but as you can see, it's pretty flat. You can see my shoulder blades are kind of protruding a bit in a winged manner. That's because there is a lot of tightness in the area there. My trunk is a bit pushed forward. But this, once again, we go through this once again. This is definitely not what you want to do if you want to gain internal rotation. There's a big difference between this movement here. When I'm hinged, shoulders slide in front, hips are back, as opposed to this. When I'm upright, okay? And there is no hinge, no opening of the pelvic outlet. So guys, give it a go. Go for, I don't know, like, weight doesn't matter. If you have 20 kilos there, like latch on the straps, but like don't go super heavy because it's gonna make you hold the breath. You're not gonna be able to capture any relative motion of the pelvis. Go with the weight that makes you feel the exercise, makes you feel those muscles working, and go for, I guess, 20 meters, 40 meters, see until you feel the burn, and give it a go on your warm up, and let me know, guys, what do you think. See you soon.